after I got some info from you. And so concept maps are my thing to go, my go-to. And so trying to narrow it down, but also get the big concept. And of course, the conciseness of concept map helps grasp the idea completely because it's all right there on one sheet. I also did like crazy or like weird shapes that kind of like would stand out to me. So when I would think about it while I was in the test, I'd be like, oh, that was in that shape or whatever like that. And so that helped correlate a lot of things too.
I love that. That is so awesome. It's always so good to hear like the specific little ways that you're able to make it personal to you.
My main goal was to always make it so somebody that doesn't know completely what's going on, they can understand, because if they can understand it, then somebody who needs a higher level, I think, can understand it.
The things that you do now, you can take with you for the rest of your life.
Because I think I'm going to need it this semester.